I'm Dr. Doug Fryday, and I've been a chiropractor for 26 years now. I have an office in Port Elgin at Optimize Healing Center. Yeah, lots of famous athletes have had chiropractic care, from Wayne Gretzky to the most recent one is Sid the Kid. And we've all seen how he's come back and performed very well. He's gone a little bit further and had actual chiropractic care, but he's also had brain training to do with his concussion, which we're implementing some of that work at our new office at Optimize. Whether it be NFL, NHL, NBA, they all have professional chiropractors on staff. And the real reason they have them on staff is not so much for injuries. Sure, they help get them through injuries that much quicker and heal, but what they're finding is athletes that are regularly having chiropractic care perform that much better. And basically what the reason for that is the brain-body, body-brain connection. And that's what we do as a chiropractor, is we keep that brain-body, body-brain communication as optimal as possible. Now your whole body functions that much better. Yeah, and Sid Crosby's situation is a little different in that he had some real serious brain trauma in the form of a concussion, not once, but a couple of times, if not more than that. And what happens there basically is a lot of the systems in the brain, specifically his balance system, was knocked out of whack, basically. So he had symptoms of dizziness, nausea, vision problems, headaches, that type of thing. So he did have traditional chiropractic care, and that is to optimize brain-body communication, but they also went a little deeper and actually worked and did brain training on him. And that's what we've done. We've implemented that in our new center at Optimize, and we're doing specifically brain training as well. Well, chiropractic works by, again, reconnecting brain to body and body to brain, because that's how the body communicates. How the brain has the body function is through that communication system, and it's a two-way system, right? And it happens from brain through spinal cord, exiting nerve roots that exit the spinal cord to every cell in the body. And what happens when we're under stress, both physical, mental, emotional, and chemical, our body has a tendency, when those stressors are greater than the body's ability to deal with them, they set up patterns. And if those stressors are similar and repetitive, then those patterns of defense mechanisms in the muscles that are protecting the spinal cord become a habit. Right? So now you've got this posture deviation because of a habit forming. So what we do as a chiropractor is we locate those stresses in the spine. We call those subluxations, where the vertebra is slightly out of place, it's not moving correctly. Now there's a decreased communication from that vertebra to the brain. The brain really doesn't know where in time that specific vertebra is, the health of it, the function of it. So what we do with an adjustment is we restore that communication from that. We reduce that subluxation and we restore that communication from the vertebra to the brain. And now function normalizes. If there's any decreased function where those nerve roots exit and go to, say, the heart, now we've increased the communication between the cardiovascular system and the brain, and vice versa. Now heart function is increased.